All right, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in New Delhi after concluding a two-day successful visit to Israel. During the visit, the Prime Minister held wide-ranging talks with the Israeli leadership with focus on strengthening strategic cooperation, boosting collaboration in technology and innovation, and reviewing the evolving regional situation. The visit is being seen as another important step in further deepening the robust and multifaceted India-Israel partnership. All right, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in New Delhi after concluding his two-day visit to Israel, his second visit to the country as Prime Minister since the landmark trip in 2017. The visit witnessed significant diplomatic and economic engagements aimed at further strengthening the strategic partnership between the two nations. Prime Minister Modi was accorded a warm reception during his address at the Knesset, where he received a standing ovation and was conferred the prestigious Speaker of the Knesset Medal, the highest honor of the Israeli Parliament. India and Israel also launched the first round of negotiations on a proposed free trade agreement, signaling a major push to deepen economic ties alongside discussions on defense cooperation and joint efforts in counter-terrorism. Also, on the second day of the visit, the Prime Minister paid tributes to the victims of the Holocaust at the Yad Vashem Memorial, where he laid a wreath and participated in a memorial ceremony along with his Israeli counterpart Benjamin Netanyahu. The visit also reflected the strong people-to-people connect with members of the Indian community presenting a traditional cultural performance. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives in New Delhi after concluding his two-day visit to Israel, marking a significant step forward in bilateral relations. Several MOUs were also exchanged between the two countries. PM Modi held delegation-level talks with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Following the talks, India and Israel signed 27 outcomes, strengthening ties across multiple sectors. The partnerships span emerging and strategic domains, including artificial intelligence, quantum technologies, and critical minerals, signaling a major push towards future-ready collaboration. So, these are the visuals we are getting you from New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived after a successful two-day visit to Israel, his second visit to the country as Prime Minister since the landmark trip in 2017. Prime Minister Modi also met the President of Israel, Isaac Herzog, also invited him to India